Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the daily Forex report for May 4th. We are currently looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved higher, broke previous resistance, did pull back, pretty much closed even. We are looking for it to continue moving sideways with bias to the upside. Look for it to potentially go as high as 95.47, possibly as low as 93.88. Look for some resistance around 95.00 and look for some support around 94.25. All right, the Euro USD pair. This pair closed lower, broke through previous support, is moving lower, bias definitely to the downside. Look for it to potentially hit some resistance if it moves up to 131.09, possibly hitting some support around 129.50 and moving down to that point. Now, looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair continued to move lower as well today. Did break previous support but pull back to close above it. We are looking for this pair to potentially move as high as 153.36, possibly as low as 149.96, and hitting some resistance around 151.75 and hitting support around 150.50. Now, last but not least, let's take a look at the US Swiss. This pair continues to move higher, broke previous resistance, closed much higher. We are looking for this pair to continue moving to the upside with a bias that is up. Look for it to possibly hit some resistance around 1.1075, possibly hitting some support and moving lower to 10925. Okay, well, that about wraps us up for that. We really don't have any news announcements for this particular next session. What I am looking for, though, if you back out, may need to go to the week time frame. Week time frame. Where is the euro going to stop? Big question. Euro USD. Where is it going to stop? Got a lot of questions on that. Well, we have a top here. It is moving lower. Broke through support. You can see the trend line here did break through it, closed below it, is moving lower overall. We are looking for it. Right now we're currently here, so it's at areas of previous support and resistance where I think it will go, basically down to here by the end of the week. So we potentially, and let me clean that up a little bit, potentially could see it move even lower over the next couple of days. I do believe we'll see that. I think where it should hit will be around, let me change the color so we can see it. Be around the 125.53 mark. Now, I don't know if it'll get there this week, but I definitely could see it happening. One area you need to be concerned about would be right here, this low. I could see us bouncing off that low, but we've made strong moves in the past. We typically, when we do, it happens really quick. Got 3 weeks there of just straight down, 3 more weeks of straight down. We've just broken out again. I could very easily see us breaking out to the downside and filling that gap. It's only about 400 pips. We moved 200 today. Overall, you look at that, that's 600 pips. Here we've got 770. We've already moved 371 this week. So keep that all in mind. But here's a long-term target for the euro before we get any significant support that would actually stop us or stop the market. And you can see that we have previous support as well in that same area. So and resistance. So you can definitely see why I'm thinking it should stop there. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, Jason Fielder, good trading.